Okay, what do the letters CLT stand for? Get the hair pods out of your ears. What do the letters CLT stand for?
Anybody? No? Common? Yeah. Combination? So funny. Combine.
Like terms.
Hey!
You did better than Julia. She said common like terms.
Okay. Close enough.
No. Common like terms. That's like, no.
It was close enough.
Why would you say common if they're like terms?
I don't know.
Gimp, you just stay over there. You're fine. We got to combine like terms on the same side of the equation. Then we have to get the variable on the same side if we need to, and then we're going to solve it. So, for example, on this one right here, what's the first thing I need to do to solve this equation? I can't cover up the x yet. What is there that I don't really want? Parentheses. How do I get rid of that? You distribute. So you're going to do 2 times x. What's 2 times x? 2x. Do I need to distribute the 2 to anything else? Is there anything else still in the parentheses? There's a 5, right? So I need to do 2, bless you, times 5. What's 2 times 5? 10. Is there anything else still in the parentheses? No. What do I do with this plus 3x? Bring it down. Equals 20. Now, you've gotten rid of your parentheses. Now you need to look for like terms. Are there any like terms? Nate, what are they? 2x and 3x are like terms because they both have x's, yes? How do I combine them? I just take their numbers and I add them. So what number's on this first x? 2. What number's on the second x? 3. Is this 2 positive or negative? Positive. How about this 3? Positive. So you're just going to add them. 2 plus 3 is 5. What else do I need to have on there? X. And then Coop would have crossed them off like that. Remember I used to do that? What about that plus 10? Bring it down. Equals 20. Now, do I have any parentheses or anything else? Now, Elijah, what am I going to do now? Cover up the x like you said. Cover up the x. What's on the same side as my pen? 10. Is that 10 positive or negative? Positive. How do I move it to the other side? I need to subtract it. I need to subtract 10 from both sides. What do I do with the 5x? Bring it down. What happens with the 10s? They cancel. Equal sign comes down. What's 20 minus 10? 10. Is x by itself? No. What's still attached to the x? 5. What operations between the 5 and the x? Multiplication. What's the opposite of multiplication? Division. So I'm going to divide both sides by 5. 5's cancel. X comes down. X equals 2. Okay, guess I'm going to have you guys do. I want you to try this next one. Get rid of your parentheses first. What's in front of my parenthesis? 5. What do I do with this negative 3x? Just bring it down for a second, okay? Do that first step. Distribute first, please. Distribute first, please. Do we have that written down? This is exactly what you should have written down. You have to distribute the 5 like so. You can't, if you don't have this, you're not getting the right answer. You have to distribute before you do anything else. After you distribute, what do you look for? Like terms. Do I have any like terms? Come on, talk to me. What like terms do I have?
Negative 3x and 5x.
Negative 3x and 5x. So when I combine them, I'm going to do negative 3 plus 5. What's negative 3 plus 5? Careful.
2.
It's 2x. Cross out your like terms. What do I do with the 15? Bring it down. Equals 23. Now I'm just solving like I did last week, kiddos. Cover up the x. What's on the same side as my finger? Positive or negative? So I need to subtract it. I know you guys are tired. School's not over yet, though. We still got lots to do. What do I do with the 2x? Bring it down. What happens with the 15s? And then 23 minus 15 is 8. Then I need to do what? Divide by 2 on both sides. So x equals 4. This is the one I want you to do right now. The one directly below the one you just did. We're gonna get this one. The one directly below the one you just did. Please. Oh, shoot. Is that one coming today? The new one?
Should be.
Should I try without?
Yeah.
Okay. Thumbs up, thumbs down, first step.
Yes.
Yeah?
Got it.
8:02 a.m.
It's 8:02.
Thanks. Thumbs up, thumbs down, second step.
Yes.
We good so far? What did you guys do next?
I subtracted the tens.
Oh, we have to do what with the tens? You have to add it because it's negative. You have to do the opposite of whatever it is. It's negative, you have to add it. So you have 5x equals 35. And then I need to divide by 5. So x is equal to 7. Now, look at this one right here. What's different between this third one that I haven't had yet? What are there none of? There's no parentheses. So do I need to distribute anything? No. We're just going to look for what? Combine like terms. Do I have any like terms? Which ones are they? Negative 7x and negative 5x, right? Now, when I combine them, I need to put them in my calculator exactly as they're on the paper. So you said it was negative 7. And then it was, why is your calculator not open? It's negative 7 minus what? Yeah, just negative 7 minus 5. They're both negative. You can do negative 7 plus negative 5. If you do negative 7 minus 5, just make sure it's one of those two. Negative 7x and negative 5x. When I combine them, how many x's do I have? What's your calculator give me? Say it louder. So negative 12x. What should I cross off on my original equation? What am I done with? 7 and the 5, right? I already combined them. What's still left? So what should I do with that? Bring it down. Equals negative 16, right? Okay. Cover up the x. Yes? Boom. What's on the same side? 8. Positive or negative? Positive. So what do I need to do? I need to subtract 8. Negative 12 comes down. What happens with the 8s? They cancel. Equals. What do I do over here? I just put it straight in my calculator, right? So calculators, here we go. This is the big part. This is what negatives can do us wrong sometimes. Negative 16 minus 8 is negative 24. Is x by itself now? What's still attached to the x? The negative 12. What operations between the negative 12 and the x? Multiplication. There's no sign between those two. It's a negative. That doesn't mean you're going to add. So you need to divide both sides by what? William, just come in, buddy. Come on. Divide both sides by what? Negative 12. So the negative 12s cancel. So x equals negative 24 divided by negative 12. It equals 2. That's all it is. No. You divide by negative 12. I'm like, no. Okay. Here's what you need to do by the time you come back tomorrow. There's 10 problems on the back. Would you like me to do like number 6 with you? Number 6, you want to do together? Okay, there's parentheses, right? So what number's in front of the first parenthesis? 2. So I have to distribute, right? 2 times 3x. 6. Yep, 6x. 2 times what next? -4 though, right? 2 times -4 is negative what? 8. Am I done with that parenthesis? Okay, what's in front of the next parenthesis? The 5. So I have to do 5 times 2x. 5 times 2x is 10x. And then 5 times 3, 15. What does it equal? -9, right? Okay. As soon as you get rid of your parentheses, what are we looking for? Like terms. Dude, give me some like terms, buddy. So 6x and 10x. When I combine them, is 16x. Are there any other like terms on that side of the equation? -8 and what? Now careful, -8 and -9, are they on the same side of the equation? Nope, got to look on the same side. Just look on the left side. What's left? A -8 and a +15, right? Those are like terms. Just because one's positive, one's negative doesn't mean they're not like terms. They're just numbers. So in your calculator, you need to do -8 plus 15. Because when I combine them on the same side, I keep the sign the same. What is -8 plus 15? So plus 7 equals -9. Are there any more like terms? So what am I going to do? I'm just going to start solving it. What should I put my finger over? Put my finger over the x. What's on the same side? 7. Is that 7 positive or negative? Positive. So how do I move it? Subtract 7 from both sides. What happens with the 16x? Comes down. The 7s cancel. Dakota, I would suggest you're writing this down. This is not, I'm going to turn this off, and you're not going to be able to write it down. You need to do it as I'm doing it. -9 minus 7. Put it in your calculator. What is -9 minus 7? That's -16. Now you have to divide by 16. So x equals -1. You need to do the rest of them. Yes? Now, if you would like